Hey keyboard players, in this video I'm going to show you how to play the keyboard part to Take Me Home Tonight by Eddie Money. The way that I play this song in live performance is I have divided the keyboard part up into 3 different parts. I play one part with my left hand and another part with the right hand, and then there's another part that I play in the chorus. What I play with my left hand is the opening riff that you hear at the beginning of the song. F, B flat, D flat, G flat, A flat, D flat, and then in a pattern that goes like this. And a little bit after the intro, there is a second part that's added. It's in fourths. B flat, E flat, A flat, D flat, and it's back and forth between those two. Sounds a little bit like China Girl by David Bowie. This is a little tricky to put together to play with 2 hands, so I would recommend practicing slowly at first, like so. And then work up speed with a metronome until you can get it to about here. The third part that I play in the song is on the chorus. It's just a repeated fourth. It's an A flat and a D flat. It forms a fourth, and it's just played repeatedly like a good old rock and roll piano part. Now I am going to play through the whole song for you so you can see it and hear it for yourself all the way through. But if you enjoy these videos, if you find them useful to see me play these parts and show you how they go, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel, and I will definitely be doing more.
Just like what it said, I said, just like what it said.